Did you know a gold nugget of merely 5 mm in diameter can be expanded into a gold foil, covering almost 5.4 square feet? This is the magic of gold leaf, a product of the intricate process of gold beating. Gold leaf, thin sheets of gold, has been used in gilding for centuries, adding a touch of opulence to art, architecture, and even food. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of gold leaf, its history, production, and uses. Stay tuned as we delve into the golden history of this remarkable material. The history of gold leaf takes us back more than 5,000 years ago. It was in the dusty plains of Egypt where artisans first recognized the extraordinary durability and malleability of gold. They found that this luminous metal could be pounded into the thinnest leaf possible, creating a material that was both resilient and delicate, perfect for embellishing their grand structures and intricate artworks. These early gold beaters, as they came to be known, would take a round stone and use it to pound the gold, transforming it from a solid nugget into a thin, almost ethereal sheet of gold leaf. The process was painstaking and required great skill, but the results were nothing short of breathtaking. Over the centuries, the craft of gold beating has seen very few changes. The introduction of a cast iron hammer offered a more efficient tool for the process, but the essence of the craft has remained the same. The tools and techniques that were used in ancient Egypt are still in use today, a testament to the timeless nature of this art form. Gold leaf has found its way into almost every corner of human creativity. It has adorned the tombs of pharaohs, illuminated the pages of medieval manuscripts, and brought a touch of opulence to modern architecture. It has been used to gild statues, to embellish buildings, and to create artworks that shimmer with a golden glow. And yet, despite its widespread use and the passage of time, the process of creating gold leaf remains steeped in tradition. Every sheet of gold leaf is a product of human skill and ingenuity, a piece of art in its own right. Each one is a link to our past, a golden thread that connects us to the ancient civilizations that first discovered the beauty and potential of this remarkable material. From ancient Egypt to modern times, the art of creating gold leaf remains a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. It is a craft that has stood the test of time, a golden legacy that continues to shine brightly in our world today. In the East, gold leaf found its way into the world of art and architecture. Here, we delve into the historic city of Nanjing, China, where the traditional craft of gold leaf forging has been honed for centuries. During the era of the Three Kingdoms and two Jin dynasties, dating from 220 to 420 AD, the use of gold leaf became prevalent in the creation of Buddha statues and the construction of grand architectural structures. Imagine a world where the radiance of gold leaf touched everything, from the serene countenance of a Buddha statue to the imposing facades of buildings. As the centuries rolled on, the technology and methods of gold leaf production evolved, particularly during the Qing dynasty, which spanned from 1640 to 1912. It was during this period that Nanjing gold leaf gained international recognition and began to be exported overseas. The allure of Nanjing gold leaf lay not just in its shimmering beauty, but also in its purity, uniformity, and softness. These qualities were achieved through a traditional process that included smelting, hand beating, and other techniques that have been preserved over the ages. On the 20th of May 2006, this traditional craft was recognized as a national, intangible cultural heritage, reflecting its significance in the tapestry of Chinese history and culture. Today, modern gold leaf artists marry these ancient techniques with contemporary technology to create traditional gold leaf that is even more refined. The process involves more than a dozen steps, including creating gold bars, leaf beating, twisting, opening, assembly, issuing, and foil cutting. Depending on the requirements of different products, a proportion of silver and copper is added to the metal, which is then melted into liquid form, cooled to form gold bars, hammered into thin slices, cut into small gold pieces, and then covered with gold foil, and hammered into gold foil repeatedly at high temperature. Gold leaf's journey in the East reflects its enduring appeal and versatile applications. The story of gold leaf in the East is not just a tale of art and architecture, but also a testament to the timeless allure of this precious metal. Despite its ancient roots, modern gold leaf production is a fascinating blend of tradition and technology. This intricate process is a dance between the old and the new, where each step is executed with precision to produce the shimmering sheets of gold we marvel at today. At the heart of this delicate process are the gold leaf artists. These artisans are the custodians of a craft that has been passed down through generations, a craft that marries the ancient art of gold beating with the advantages of modern technology. The result? pure, uniform, and soft gold leaf that carries within it a legacy of human ingenuity. The process of gold leaf production begins with smelting. The gold is combined with a proportion of silver and copper according to the needs of the different products. This mixture is then melted into a liquid form, a process that requires a keen eye and a steady hand to ensure the perfect consistency. Next comes the formation of gold bars. The molten gold is poured into an iron tank and cooled to create these bars, the base from which the gold leaf will be created. This process is a testament to the patience of the gold leaf artist, a virtue that is vital in this craft. Once the gold bars are ready, the art of gold beating begins. This intricate process involves hammering the gold into thin slices, a technique that has remained virtually unchanged for thousands of years. Today, however, modern tools are employed to ensure precision and uniformity, a nod to the harmonious blend of tradition and technology in gold leaf production. These thin slices of gold are then cut into small pieces, each piece a potential gold leaf. The final step in the process is the most delicate of all. Each gold piece is covered with gold foil and hammered at a high temperature, transforming it into the gold leaf that we are familiar with. This process is repeated countless times, each hammer stroke a testament to the dedication and skill of the gold leaf artist. Today, the production of gold leaf is a testament to the sophistication of human craftsmanship. It is a process that requires not only technical skill, but also a deep understanding and respect for the material. It is a process that is as much about the journey as it is about the final product. And it is a process that reminds us of the beauty that can be created when tradition and technology dance together in perfect harmony. From the ancient Egyptian artisans to the modern gold leaf artists, the journey of gold leaf is truly golden. This remarkable material, hammered into thin sheets, has traversed the ages, retaining its allure and significance. Its unique properties, such as extraordinary durability and malleability, have made it a favored choice for artisans across the globe. The historical origins of gold leaf take us back 5,000 years to Egypt, where the first gold beaters and gilders pounded gold into the thinnest leaf possible with round stones. Fast forward to the East, where gold leaf found its way into traditional handicrafts, Buddha statue manufacturing, and construction. Modern gold leaf production continues to honor these age-old techniques, melding tradition with technology. The process involves meticulous steps, including smelting, hand beating, and more, all to create that pure, uniform, and soft gold leaf we know today. Next time you come across a gilded object, remember the rich history and intricate craftsmanship behind that thin layer of gold.